Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to draw a girl. At first draw a shape like this, then I'm drawing eyebrows. If you love my video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, because if you don't hit the bell icon, then you won't able to get my update of my videos. Then I'm drawing oval shape for the eyes. If you want to watch how to draw eye, how to draw nose and how to draw lips, then you can find tutorials about this on my channel. Now I'm drawing the eyeball. If you want, then you can also visit my Instagram for more art. Here I am using a normal HB pencil. If you want, then you can use any kind of pencil that you have and that you want. Even you can draw with pen, but I will prefer pencil because you have to erase your lines again and again. If you are a beginner, then you should use a normal pencil. That will be very helpful for you. And don't worry about pencil and paper. You can use any kind of pencil, any kind of paper. You don't need to expensive papers, expensive pencils for drawing. You just if you have just a normal pencil and normal paper, just use it to draw. Remove the excess lines. At first you have to just draw a shape. You don't need to go in details. At first we will draw shapes and then we will add some details. Now I am drawing the hairs. Now I am using a 4B pencil. It's little bit darker than HB pencil. 8B and 10B pencils are more dark pencils, but I don't have those pencils, that's why I am using 4B pencil. If you have, then you can use those pencils too. If you don't have blending stamps, then you can use cotton bar and tissues too. Here I am using a cotton bar for blending. Sorry for the lighting, it will be fine after some time, and from my next video uh, I'll really take care of about this, about the lighting system. Now I'm drawing eyebrows. I'm using cotton bar for blending. Now I'm doing the nose. At first draw a triangle like this. If you draw a small triangle, then it will be a small nose. If you draw a wide triangle, then it will be a wider nose. So it's totally up to you what kind of shape of the nose you want, or what kind of nose your reference pics are having. You can try to draw that kind of nose. Here I use this kind of style to draw nose. Now I'm doing the lips. At first put two dots, then dark the middle part where both lips are together. Dark those part. Then I'm removing some parts from lips by eraser to highlight those parts. Now I'm doing the shading of side of the face. I'm doing the outline with the 4B pencil. Remove the extra lines. Do a little bit of shading. Now I am using a 4B pencil for the hair, and I will draw in detail now. Like this you can draw the hair. If you are a beginner, then you will feel trouble to draw like this, but if you keep practicing, then you will be able to grab the technique of this. But for this you have to do a lot of practice, so keep drawing. I have learned sketches by myself, so there can be some mistakes. If you like this is the way I do it, and I'm doing it because if I don't do it, then I won't learn anything. I have to keep practicing for better result. Now I'm using cotton bud for blending. Now I'm drawing the other side of the hair. Like this you can draw the hair. In the picture it was kind of windy, that's why it's looking like the hairs are dancing in the air. For the strokes, keep practicing your strokes, then you'll be able to do it properly. Even I am not that good in strokes, but I am still practicing for it. It's almost done. Using again cotton bud for blending. Now I'm using a black gel pen for the outline. I don't have any dark pencil, that's why I'm using a gel pen. If you have a darker pencil, then you can use that too. Draw the eyes. Now I'm doing the lip. After making the edit, I'm getting it now that it was not looking that good, like those lips. I didn't, I should. In my next videos, I will be able to draw it more properly because of practice. Now I am applying again some pencil strokes for blending. Now we will highlight the parts, nose, lip and eyes areas. I'm using a white flute with a eyeliner brush. It's done. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Bye.